Harihi Om. Namaskar. Hi everyone, I am Baba Saheb Jagtap. I welcome you all to my channel Yoga 360 Journey. It is yoga in all dimensions and all paths. Now, we all are friends in this journey. Thanks for watching part 1 to part 23. If you have missed it, then click on the link given in description below. My humble request, if you find these parts helpful and research based, please do subscribe to my channel. In part 23, we have discussed about concept of yogic breathing. Let us begin part 24. Our next topic is topic 17, concept of three bandhas, Mahabandhas, Jivha Bandha. I request you to watch it till end. Before learning pranayama, we should know about three bandhas, that is three bandhas. Pranayama actually involves the practice of breath control in combination with bandhas and mudras. Without bandhas, pranayama is incomplete. Moola bandha is contraction of anus. Dhyan bandha is contraction of the lower abdomen. And Jalandhar bandha is the chin. We all will practice these three bandhas in this video. When these three bandhas are done simultaneously, it is called as Mahabandha or Tribandha. We will now learn these bandhas. There will be separate video on mudras. Let us see what is Jalandhar bandha, that is throat lock. Kanthamakucham hrudaye sthapaye chibukam dridham bandho jalandharakhyo ayam jara mrityu vinashakah. Hatha Yoga says in 3.7 means Jalandhara bandha is contracting the throat by bringing the chin touching the chest. It destroys old age and death. Badnatihi siro jalam adhogami nabhojalam tato jalandharo bandha kantha dukkha nashanam. Jalandhar bandha catches the flow of nectar in the throat, which destroys all throat elements. Sit straight and see that your head, neck and spine are in a straight line. Do Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes. Now inhale slowly and deeply and then hold the breath in. This is Antarkundha. Bend the head forward so that the chin touches the chest. Adjust the chin position. It rests between collarbones and pit of the chest. This is chin lock, so that air hold in is locked inside. Shoulders will be slightly forward. Hold the position as long you are comfortable. Let us practice. This is chin lock. You can retain your breath in or breath out till you are comfortable. To release the lock, bend the arms, raise your head and exhale out. Come back to the straight position, normal breathing. Now I will again show Antarkumbhak. Inhale. is Antarkumbhak in Chinna. Now, Jalandhar Bandha with Bahirkumbhak hold up. Once you have mastered the Jalandhar Bandha with breath hold inside, you can do the same Kriya with hold outside, that is Bahirkumbhak. The duration of Kumbhaka should be gradually increased depending upon your capacity, but no suffocation. Now I will be showing Bahirkumbhak, where the breath is hold out. Here I hold the breath out, that is Bahirkumbhak. Now benefits. Please see slide. Jalandhara Bandha presses thyroid gland, which regulates metabolism. It activates throat Vishuddhi Chakra. Jalandhara Bandha catches the flow of nectar in the throat, which falls from the center of the brain, called as Bindu Visarga. This helps in age reversing process. It destroys all throat elements. Thyroid glands get enough blood supply. It helps in awakening of Kundalini. Now let us see second bandha, which is Moola Bandha. Moola Bandha is rectum upward long. It is stated in Hatha Yoga that Parshni Bhagena Sampidya Yonima Akuncha Yeda Budanam Apana Mudhva Akusham Moola Bandho Abhidiyate. Please see slide. Meaning, pressing the perineum, vagina, with the heel and contracting the rectum so that the Apan Vayu moves upward is Moola Bandha. Adhogatim Apanam va Urdhvagam Krute Balat Akunchanena te Prahur Moola Bandham hi Yoginaha. By contracting the perineum, the downward moving Apana Vayu is forced to go upward. Yogis call this as Moola Bandha. Further, it is mentioned that Gudam Parshnyatu Sampidyam Vayum Akunchayeda Balat Varam Varam Yatharchodvam Samayati Samiranaha. Meaning, press the heel firmly against the rectum and contract forcefully and repeatedly so that the vital energy rises. Meaning, press the heel firmly against the rectum and contract forcefully and repeatedly so that the vital energy rises. Please see the slide. Moola Bandha is very essential to get the benefits of pranayama. First and foremost benefit is it activates sex organs and gives strength. It ignites digestive fire, constipation problem is reduced. It empowers Saptadhatu, namely Rasa, plasma, Rakta, blood, Meda, fat, Mans, it is muscles, Asthi is bones, Majja is nerves, Shukra is semen. Also it awakens Kundalini. Now the third bandha is Uddiyana Bandha, lower abdomen retraction lock. Hatha Yoga states that Udare Paschimam Tanam Nabhe Urdhvancha Karayeta Uddiyano Hyaso Bandho Mrutyumanga Kesari. Please see the slide. Pulling the abdomen backward in and making the navel rise is Uddiyana. It is the lion which conquers the elephant death. It is done by forcefully exhaling fully, thereby contracting the portion above and below navel. It makes the movement of Apan Vayu upwards. आदो साधनमाख्यातं सद्ययोः प्रत्ययकारकं बद्धपद्मासनो रोगे बन्धयेद उद्यानकम्. First is to determine to do sadhana. Therefore, one should sit in Padmasana, then practice Uddiyana, that is to pull the Apanvayu upwards by contracting the perineum. Moving the Apanvayu upwards is called as Moola Bandha. Now, let us practice. Sit erect comfortably. Slowly breathe out and breathe out, completely contracting the abdomen muscles. The abdominal muscles will be sucked inwards as much as you can to touch the spine. Abdomen will give a concave appearance. Hold the position till you are comfortable. Slowly release Moola Bandha. Inhale and come to original position. Let us understand Jalandhar Bandha, which is also called as Chin Bandha. Let us practice. Inhale. This was Jalandhar Bandha, Chin Bandha. In Moola Bandha, just anus lock is difficult and nothing else. Inhale. This is what Moola Bandha. Moola Bandha is near the anus. We have to close the anus and pull it upwards. You can do this action again and again. That is called the Ashwini Mudra. So Moola Bandha is just pulling anus upwards. Then we will see Uddiyana Bandha. Now what is Uddiyana Bandha is done? Antarkumbha as well as Bahya Kumbha, that is hold in and as well as hold out. Let us practice Uddiyana Bandha. To exhale, inhale and then exhale completely out. Was Uddiyana Bandha, where I exhale fully. This Uddiyana Bandha can also be done in a standing position. Please see the slide. Benefits. Improper functioning in the digestive canal is the most basic cause of disease. Uddiyana affects optimal functioning in this area, thereby overcoming many related diseases, thus keeps us healthy. It helps in awakening of Kundalini. Now let us see what is Mahabandha. Maha Mudra. Please see the slide. Inhale and hold in. Do Mula Bandha lock and force the Apan Vayu upwards. Simultaneously do Jalandhar Bandha by locking the chin. Hold the position till you are comfortable. Then exhale slowly and rhythmically and relax. This is described as Mahabandha, Mahamudra by the great Siddha yogis. Let us practice Mahabandha. Mahabandha is a combination of earlier three bandhas. You have to put Mula Bandha, Jalandhar Bandha as well as Uddiyana Bandha together. The combination is Mahabandha or Mahabandha. Let us practice. Mahamudra, Mahabandha. See, inhale. See now what I have done. Exhale fully. That's why navel portion and below navel portion went backwards. Then I put chin block, Mula Bandha and exhale means Uddiyana Bandha. So these three together is called as Mahabandha. Mahabandha has very much importance in awakening of Kundalini. Now we'll see next. Last bandha is Jiva Bandha. Jiva, tongue lock. There is one mudra called as Khechari Mudra, which is also called as Jiva Bandha. It is stated in Hatha Yoga. Kala Parangamukhi Brutva Tripathe Pariyojayeta सा भवत खेचरी मुद्रा व्योम चक्रम तदुच्यते. Meaning, Hatha Yoga directs that having turned the tongue twisted backward, the three nadis, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna are connected. This is center. See what is how Jiva Bandha is doing. We have seen three bandha and including fourth was Mahabandha. Now it is Jiva Bandha, Jiva tongue. Touch your tip upward at the vacant position in your mouth. Here I have done Jiva Bandha with Mahabandha. Jiva Bandha is only twisting of the tongue like this. So it is just twisting of the tongue backward and touching the upper area. When Mahabandha and Jivabandha all together sadhan. I earlier, just now I showed like this. All these bandhas influence the network of endocrine glands throughout the body. It stimulates thyroid glands. It enhances concentration. It influences the salivary glands and the faculty of taste. Now I will show again Mahabandha along with Jivabandha. Tongue is first elongated out, rolled back, so that the tip of the tongue presses the back of the soft palate. In this way, 3 channels of Ida, Pingala and Sushumna are controlled. As far as mudra is concerned, will be covered in separate video on mudras. I hope there will be no doubt about all these 3 bandhas as well as Jivabandha. These concepts are very important. While doing pranayama, you will come to know the importance of these bandhas. Otherwise, you can practice this afterwards, again and again. We cannot escape this 3 bandhas. If you like my concept, please do subscribe to this channel and share the link in your groups. Press like button, push bell icon so that you will get notification of latest videos. Motivate me in my endeavor. We do lots of research, practice and devotion for each video. We'll meet you in another video as part 25. Shat Karma Shuddhi Kriya Dhauti Basti Neti Trataka Navli Kapala. If you are not subscribed till now, just click on subscribe button as your contribution to promote you. It is going to be very informative and useful. आपका प्यार ही सर्वोपरि है. हरिओम. Have a good day.